Today we're looking at the AsperX 10,000 mAh power bank. This does come as a 2-pack, so we do get 2 power banks. Before we do start, as always, link in the description if you do want to pick this up. If you do find the video helpful, a like would be much appreciated, and subscribe for more reviews. So before we begin and look at the contents inside the box, let's just have a quick look around. So on the front, as you can see, it's 2-pack, 10,000 mAh. If we just draw our attention to the back here, we have some information. Now let's see what's inside the box. We just open it up here. So this is everything what does come inside the box. As you can see, we get 2 power banks. We get 1 black and 1 white. However, I do know they do come in other colours as well. You can get white, black, blue, a dark blue, red and pink. It's just whichever one you want to choose really. We get 2 USB-A to Type-C charging cables, obviously for each power bank. And then we do get a user manual. I'll just show you in here. It does come in many different languages as well. So now let's have a look at the power banks. One thing I do want to mention is both of these power banks are the same. They have the same power rating, etc. So we will be focusing our attention on the black one, so let's put the white one to a side. So let's have a look around it. As you can see, we have the power button on the side here. So if we press this, it comes up with the lighting indicators, which each light represents 25% of battery. Then as you can see, 10,000 mAh there, AsperX the name. And then if we look at the top here, we have the ports. So we have 2 5-volt USB-A output ports. We have 1 5-volt micro USB input port and 1 5-volt Type-C input and output port. I had this power bank on 100% battery life. I grabbed my iPhone 12 and I managed to get 2 whole charges out of it. And the power bank did still have battery life left. This power bank is a great size. It fits in your pocket providing you're not wearing any tight jeans. Also, if you do have a small bag, it will fit perfectly in there. Overall, I think this power bank is great. It has a good size and thickness to it, and it fits in my pocket easily. Another thing I like is this can also charge multiple devices at the same time, making it a great travelling companion. In my personal opinion, I believe these power banks will be a great help to me, as I'm always out and about and on the go, and then I don't need to worry about my devices dying or charging my devices before I leave the house. That's all for now, my friends. Remember, if you do want to grab this, link will be in the description box down below. If you found the video helpful, a like would be much appreciated, and subscribe for more reviews. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.